Before buying a fog machine for Halloween, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Pulico Mist Maker. The Pulico Mist Maker caught my eye right away, especially at just $11.99. It's positioned as a budget-friendly option that creates a cool, dense mist for any spooky setup. If you want to add a magical touch to your Halloween decorations, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Pulico uses ultrasonic technology to create a 100% water mist, which means it's odorless and colorless. It can cover a small area, perfect for a pond or tabletop decoration. And with a capacity of 6.56 ounces, it's easy to maintain. Just submerge it in water, and within seconds, you've got a mystical fog rolling in. With over 2,800 reviews and a solid 3.9-star rating, this product has been a hit for many. Now, some people complained about its limited coverage area, with only 10 square inches to work with. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a fog machine to create a small, intimate setting, this isn't a deal breaker. Just know it's not meant for large spaces. This is perfect for you if you want to create a quaint Halloween atmosphere without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need significant fog coverage or are aiming for large outdoor displays. For just under $12, it brings great value for smaller setups. Now, if the limited coverage of the Pulico bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tilbrook Fog Machine Liquid. Next up is the Tilbrook Fog Machine Liquid at $14.99. This product stood out because it promises a high-density fog that lasts longer than most. If you're gearing up for Halloween Bash, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 32-ounce bottle is ready to use and compatible with most water-based fog machines. It's non-toxic and biodegradable, so you don't have to worry about your guests, pets, or plants. The formula creates thick fog that hangs around for hours, making your haunted house or party feel truly immersive. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that many have found it effective. Now, some buyers mentioned that it could be a bit too dense in smaller spaces. Here's the thing though, if you use it in a large area or outdoors, it works perfectly. Just be mindful of your setup and you'll be golden. This is perfect for you if you want a fog solution that delivers on thickness and longevity. Skip this one if you're looking for something to use in a tiny room. At $14.99, it's a solid investment for your spooky season. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want color with their fog. Product number 3, Donner Fog Machine. Third on the list is the Donner Fog Machine, priced at $36.54. This caught my attention with its RGB LED lights that can create a stunning visual display. If you're looking to step up your Halloween game, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Donner Fog Machine can output 2,000 CFM of fog, which is impressive for parties or events. With 2 wireless remotes, you can control both the fog and the lighting, allowing you to set the mood easily. It warms up quickly in about 2 to 3 minutes, so you won't be waiting long for that spooky effect. Plus, it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,400 people, indicating its reliability. Now, some users have pointed out that it requires manual activation to spray fog, which might be a hassle for some. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with controlling the fog output, it gives you more flexibility in creating the perfect ambience. This is perfect for you if you want a fog machine that also lights up the night with colorful effects. Skip this one if you prefer an automatic fog delivery. At $36.54, it offers good value for an all-in-one experience. Now, if you need something more professional grade, let's talk about the next product. Product number 4, Froggy's Fog Fluid. Fourth on my list is Froggy's Fog Halloween and Party Fog Fluid, going for $24.99. This one really stood out with its high output and long-lasting fog effects. If you want a reliable fog fluid, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This gallon-sized fog juice is compatible with a range of fog machines and is designed to deliver consistent, thick fog without leaving a mess. It's non-toxic and unscented, which is perfect for indoor use during parties or events. And with a 4.6-star rating from over 5,100 reviews, it's a crowd favorite. Now, some customers have mentioned that it can sometimes leave a residue if not used properly. Here's the thing though, if you follow the usage guidelines, you'll get great fog effects without the mess. Just be mindful of your machine settings. This is perfect for you if you're a pro or home haunter looking for reliable fog fluid that enhances your effects. Skip this one if you're using a smaller machine that can't handle the volume. For $24.99, you're getting a solid gallon of fog fluid that won't disappoint. Now, if you're really serious about your fog game, the last one is a must-see. Product number 5, Fogworks Extreme Fog Juice. Finally, we have Fogworks Extreme High Density Fog Juice, priced at $38.99. This is the top-tier option that promises high output and longevity. If you want the best for your Halloween setups, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 1-gallon fog fluid is designed for any water-based fog machine, optimized for those with 400 to 1,500 watts. It delivers a thick, long-lasting fog that's odorless and dry, which means no mess for you. With a whopping 4.6-star rating from over 22,200 reviews, it's definitely a bestseller in this category. Now, some users have found it a bit pricier compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you want the best performance and are serious about your fog effects, the investment pays off. You'll get results that leave a lasting impression. This is perfect for you if you're a professional event planner or someone who wants the best fog for Halloween. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For $38.99, you're investing in quality that stands out. All right, wrapping up, we've seen a mix of options today, from budget-friendly mist makers to high-performance fog fluids. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your Halloween needs best. To quickly recap, we covered the Pulico Mist Maker for budget-friendly mist magic, Tilbrook for thick fog, Donner for colorful effects, Froggies for reliable fog juice, and Fogworks for top-tier performance. Each has unique features to enhance your Halloween experience, so pick the one that suits your spooky vision best.